The world is clearly not yet what it ought to be. The commons have been plundered and many people have no access to their basic needs. As long as we have money between human beings and basic needs, food and clean drinking water, then we will have to think of basic income. And then as soon as we have a world of abundance, then money doesn't even matter anymore.
Instead of constantly trying to change people, which science shows is quite slow to do, you could also create a system which changes itself. How then do you change this paradigm?
So we're basically destroying our planet, and I'm not talking so much about climate change, but poisoning and destruction, deforestation and those kind of things.
I kind of believe that nature don't need us to save her, because she always been here and she will always be. But eventually we should maybe be worried about ourselves.
We have created this humanity system within the planet system. It has grown like a cancer, basically too big.
But it doesn't help to discuss who is to blame. We just have to clear up the mess. Well, the only condition you have to meet to receive a basic income is being human and alive. I don't need to know who you are, where you live, or what you do. You have a right to a basic income. We want to dream recklessly and imagine we can use plastic waste to generate a basic income.
Nature can save us if we take time to observe her and copy her.
Humans always have controlled the biosphere, but we never thought of building a system which is integrated in the biosphere. It's a symbiosis between technology and nature. It solves itself.
Many years we were more like mass conception, and now it's more about mass collaboration. But also this strong belief that it has to be playful, because we maybe live in a too serious world today.
If you look how children understand the world, they are not using their rational mind to it. They're just experiencing it with their senses and with whatever, being connected to everything, right? If you explain someone going to the forest is healthy for you, they might understand it with their brain. But if you take them into a forest and let them experience it, it's a completely different story. I'm also thinking how we can use more of a experience level to actually transmit an image of a future than just playing with the mind concepts.
I always thought about ocean cities, like cities we moved like a ship, and then they would also clean up the earth, because you could make these fish ponds where people aren't allowed to fish, and so the ecosystem can be stored, and you would always have a different view and stuff, because you're basically constantly moving through the planet.
If we stop building business models and making profits and have ownership, which is basically not about ownership, but keeping other people out of their resources, then a world of abundancy is possible.
If you can have a different vision on how the system works, that we are all integrated part of a larger system, and we just change one part in the system, the entire system changes.
It's our turn to implement it.
I'm very excited to assist in making one of the worldwide first DAOs. The organization structure of the DAO will be so that investors are being paid back, and then it's ownerless, it belongs to the community. We can use some help there.
I think it will be also nice to have some support on more society level, because of course we want people to know about us and what we are doing.
Everyone and everything will gain from this. And if it's done, we can lie down on a clean beach, watch the turtles, build sandcastles, and have a cocktail and relax.